Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting with the single link you want to reuse. Open Zoom and pick personal meeting ID or create a recurring meeting with no fixed time. Set host options now, enable waiting room or passcode if needed, and confirm the meeting never expires. Once saved, copy that link and paste it into one reliable location like a calendar event, shared doc, or pinned chat. This ensures the link is the same for everyone. Make those choices deliberately to control access and convenience. Continue by locking down how people join. Grant co-hosts, require authentication, or whitelist domains to stop unwanted guests. Once done, decide whether participants can join before host or must wait in the waiting room. These settings change attendee flow and security. Make sure the calendar event uses the same link and set recurrence and reminders so everyone gets permitted invites automatically. If you sync to group calendars, the link behaves like a single, consistent entry across participants' schedule. Finish by establishing simple maintenance. Verify the link monthly, confirm the host account is active, and recheck meeting expiration or new security policies that could invalidate it. If the link stops working, first confirm you are signed into the correct host account, then inspect whether the meeting was accidentally deleted or its settings changed. As a troubleshooting tip, keep a single shared doc with a fallback link and clear instructions. That gives attendees one source to check before you send a replacement meeting invitation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.